Okay, question 5 on that kinematics worksheet reads, a sprinter on a school track team running north, this is important, at a velocity of 6 meters per second. 5 seconds later, she is running south at 4 meters per second. Kind of a silly setup because how many, I don't know, how many track events you end up running north and then south. Anyway, we'll go with it. These directions are important because what that implies, if we call north a positive value, then south is the exact opposite direction. So this is going to have to be a negative value here. So you need to make note of that. And that's really the purpose of this question, to show you the difference between the directions and the symbols required for that. So now calculate the average acceleration. Don't worry about this term average. It's just asking you to calculate the acceleration for this time interval. Okay, our equation again is going to be A equals VF minus VI over T. The thing that may slip some of you up is the substitution in the numerator. Okay, some of you may want to put the bigger number first, but strictly look at what it is you're substituting and place it in those positions. So VF is a minus 4 because we had that change in direction. So minus 4.0 meters per second. And this subtraction here stays. So we're going to subtract away our positive 6.0 meters per second. Okay, now all of that is divided by 5 seconds. Okay, now our acceleration then is a negative minus a negative. We end up with a larger negative. So we've got minus 10.0 meters per second divided by 5.0 seconds, giving us an acceleration of a negative 2.0 meters per second squared. This negative is good because we were starting off at a higher velocity. Then you can picture it, we slowed down to 0 velocity, so we're slowing down. We needed a negative acceleration. And then we started to speed up in the opposite direction, giving us a final velocity of minus 4. So this negative acceleration is completely what we're looking for in this question. So again, box in what you're calling the answer, and then you're good to go.